Hey guys, well, welcome to my orchard videos. Well, I'm doing an interesting project today. We're rebuilding, well, I'm in the shop working on my tractors. So I thought I'd just give you a little video of what I'm doing here now. Anyways, I got the new blades, or the new stones for the bench grinder. See, this is 1/2 inch. So here's the new discs. God damn, new stones. So near the see, there are multiple sizes in there. It was from 1 inch down to half, so 1/2 inch, right? So anyways, finally got those in, and we're going to be, let's see if I can prop this up somehow. Now this this guard here was bouncing around for a long time. Sorry, I gotta wear gloves. It wasn't gonna come out in the shop, but it's nice enough out. So, anyways, to put some Loctite on these holes here, or blue thread locker. Yeah, I was just about ready to get rid of this bench grinder if I couldn't get stones for it. But that's really nothing really wrong with it. It's been really good to me. Actually, matter of fact, they might have traded. I think I traded a bin full of applewood for this many years ago. This is probably not something that a lot of you guys are really interested in seeing. I don't know. I'm working on the old bench grinder. Come on, you hooker. Sorry, my hands are in the way. Just trying to find a place I can put you guys where there you go. Yeah, that sucker's not going to be bounced around anymore. took the guards off here because they were a bit of a pain in the ass. And I don't know where the hell they went. I had them on these damn things for years and years and years. But we don't need it right now. Now I need to take the stone out of here. So these are 60 grit. Oh, SpaghettiOs. Oh, come on, you prick bag. It's probably getting stuck or something on a burr or something in there. There we go. These are 1-inch stones. I think this stand for a stupid thing. Christ almighty. Now we got lights. 4 lights. Come on, you. Is that going to work any better? You got a light on my phone now. Now these are 1-inch stones. I should be using 3/4, but I couldn't find 3/4. There again. It's just everyone's gone to the same size of they've gone to larger stones, larger. Everything's more modern now, so. One of these is reverse thread. I think it's this one here that's reverse thread. The other one is clockwise, one is reverse thread. Yeah, and this thing is sure. We're going to see how well this thing turns. Let's see. Everything in the fucking way as always. See. Woohoo! Finally got my grinder back. Awesome. Well, sure been a long time since I've had new stones on this thing. So, awesome. We'll see how long these stones last. I think they're both 60, I think. Both 60 grit. But yeah, man, what a difference. What a difference this has made. Okay, guys, we're going to get back to working on this. So, when we get more, get some done on it, I'll put it in a video, and you can see what I'm done, and I'll post it up, and you guys can tell me what you think. So, I've got the light on my camera. This damn thing.